Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the color workspace and selecting the clip. This puts Lumetri front and center. Next, apply an adjustment layer above clips or select the clip itself so changes stay editable. This is critical for non-destructive workflows. Once done, enable Lumetri color and switch playback resolution to 1/2 if your timeline stutters, because smoother playback helps you judge color accurately. Make sure you have correct input color space for log footage before modifying exposure or contrast. You'll now balance exposure and color. Start in basic correction. Set white balance using temp and tint, then fix exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Watch RGB parade and vector scope while you work, because scopes tell you if channels clip or if a cast exists. Once balanced, go to Creative to apply a LUT or look, lower intensity to blend, then tweak vibrance and saturation to taste. Make sure to periodically toggle the Lumetri effect on and off to compare before and after. You finish by refining with curves and color wheels, adjust midtones and lift or deepen shadows to shape the image. For selective changes, use HSL secondary to isolate a hue, then create an ellipse or pen mask and track it so color stays on the subject. Once satisfied, render a short test clip and export using the correct color space, typically Rec. 709 for web. If colors look off, check sequence color management and GPU acceleration. Update drivers as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.